Hello again everyone, welcome back to this video. In the last video we saw how we can implement implicit intent in Android. We basically implemented this browser opening action in Android. Today we're going to see how we can pass value in case of explicit intent. We did explicit intent in our first video of intent. If you haven't checked that out, please go and check it out. The link is on the top. So today we're also going to pass value along with that particular explicit intent. So let's go to our UI. We have this explicit intent part implemented here. What I would like to do is add an edit text along with this one. So edit text, width is going to be match parent, height is wrap content. This margin I'm going to remove it from here and add it in case of our edit text, and then this margin will be a margin top only. Okay, we'll have a hint, enter a value to be passed. Okay, then what else? I think I need an ID, so I'll provide an ID value, or we'll say a typed value, and then close it here. So I have created a new edit text on top of this button where I'm going to type something and then pass it to another activity or second activity using this particular button. Let's go back to main activity. We already have our go to second screen button. We also have its click. What we don't have is a new edit text, which is typed value. Let's initialize this object. So typed value equals to find by id r.id dot typed value. Okay, the object is initialized. Now what we need to do is, so whenever we press this second button, we don't only want to start this particular intent, but we also want to pass values along with. So what is the value that we want to pass? The value is coming from typed value. We'll extract this in the form of string. Now along with this we are going to put I dot put, or we'll do it in a bundle way. Okay, so we have bundle b equal to new bundle. We'll wrap our values in this bundle, so put b dot put string. Since our value is string here, we'll associate a key here, so key may be something like ID, and then I'll associate my value along with this. What I'm going to do is put this bundle in our intent, so I dot put extras and bundle, and finally we start this activity. Now whenever we're sending some value to another screen, whenever we reach this particular activity, this activity should also handle that particular value. First of all, we are going to go to this layout, activity underscore second. I'm going to add an ID here, let's say result or something. Let me also keep a margin. The margin can be 100 dp for now, it's okay. So my text, I'm going to remove this text from here for now. The text that I'm going to see is the value that I'm going to pass from the first activity. So let's go to second activity. We have a text view that has an ID, so let's create an object. We'll see result. Now we'll initialize this object, find by id r.id dot result. Yeah, I think the ID is result, right? Yeah. So now what we have to do is save this so that the error goes away. Now what we need to do is we need to retrieve our value that we sent from main activity. So for that one we'll do get intent dot get extras dot get string, and then since the key that we passed is ID, so we will receive the value using ID. Is there a get bundle too? No, I think get intent dot get extras dot get key should be fine. Now we're going to show this in our result part, and then we'll display a value here. So this is it for the code. I hope the concept is clear to you. What we did here was basically passed a new value, pass a value along with our explicit intent using this particular bundle here. So you always need to remember that whenever you're passing a value, it needs to be associated with a key, so that on the receiving end you can extract that same value using that particular key here. We can run this application. Let me run this application and then show you if it's working correctly or not. Okay, the app is launched. Let me type something here. Let's type this value belongs to second activity. Okay, the text is quite long. I'm not sure what happened here. So yeah, we can just do this and then second activity, and then go to second activity, and in fact in another activity this particular text is being transferred. So this is how you pass value in case of explicit intent. You can also pass multiple values here if you want to. You just need to do b.put string, or like put integer, or like whatever you want to send, give a new ID and then type your value here. Okay, so yeah, this is how you do it. I hope the implementation is clear. I hope it's running for you too. If you have any problem, do comment down below and I'll try to help you out. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.